Welcome, loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be talking about bronzer and contours and the technique. The right side is with lifted contour and my left side is with not. You can tell the difference. Let me know which side is your favorite and let's jump right into the video. Let's get started.
My foundation is on and I'm going to start with my right side. I'm using L.A.Girl Pro.conceal. This is super dark color. If I'm mistaken, it's chestnut. And you can tell I used a direct application. We are going to place it in between of my cheekbones and my jawline. And of course, a little bit add in for the forehead. I actually use the same concealer on the side of the nose to make sure that I have a little bit of contour. Use a generous amount of concealer underneath my eye and in the outer corner. And starting my blending process with a brush. This is a fluffy one. You can use Beauty Blender. But in my opinion, brush is going to blend everything out so much better. You can add a little bit of cream blush on top of the previous shade and move to my left side. I'm using softer color and it's not a direct application. First, I use my brush, pat this on the back of the hand, and then going on top of my cheekbone. It is not in between of cheekbone and jawline. It is on top of it. And blending, stamping this first and moving into a little bit different color. It has to be soft. All these colors has to be a little bit more soft than the previous one. With the same shade, I'm contouring my nose. I will add a little bit under my brow bone and link it to the nose to make it look so much smaller. With a concealer, regular concealer, I'm placing this underneath my eye and underneath my contour to make sure that we have a sharp line. I'm not going to bring this to my lip corners. I will stop 1/3 of the way. Blending everything, stamping, and with the powder setting my face. My right side is going to be done with bronzers only. I have a heavy color, and with the same brush, I'm going to be placing this on top of my previous shades with circular motions. The same happens with my nose, and then with pretty much heavy blush, I'm just finishing the rest of the look. You can add a little bit of highlighter, and that's it. For my left side, lifted one. I'm not using any bronzers. I'm going with a contour. It's going on top of my previous shade, super high to my cheekbones, and then using the same color on top of my nose contour. I love using angle brush for my nose contour. This way, it's so much better and the precision is nice. Bringing this really close to the nose bridge. And then finally, I'm moving to my blush. This is a soft color that I'm bringing on top of my previous shade, really close to the temple, and with circular motion, I'm transferring my blush. Underneath my contour, I want to clean everything with a loose powder. This is e.l.f. loose powder in triangular puff. With the lifted side, I'm going to bring this on the third of the contour length, and for my right side, I will go all the way to the lip corner. Let's set everything with a setting spray, and again, for my lifted side, I'm going with a cream blush and the same Beauty Blender, a little bit of the cream highlighter, and finishing everything with a dry formula highlighter. This way, it's going to be so much glossier, so much softer, and the transformation is obvious.
Well guys, this is the final result. I have a really simple makeup look for now because I wanted to do interesting look combination. It's just there for you in my shorts. Okay, I love my right side. I think this is so much better. It's more lifted and it gives me this lifting effect. If we're talking about my left side, I would say it is a little bit more bulky, but it's still there if you want to have this type of shape or you have a little bit different face shape and it looks so much better this way. Okay, go ahead and use this technique, but my personal favorite is getting this a little bit higher. Here I had a direct application and a lot of bronzy shades, a lot of strong colors, and for this side I used soft shades. I placed them a little bit higher and I stopped my powder halfway through and I didn't go up to my lips. This is pretty much it. You know, you always can choose between your favorite techniques, but that's something that I love about my makeup. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Hopefully guys, love you all so much. Till next time, bye bye.